Guys, this is a really bad design, really bad product. I would recommend not to buy this thing. We spent $600 purchasing this thing, and I started this job at 2 o'clock, and this is 9 o'clock at this time. And the final product is this, that on the top drawers there is this much gap in there, and the other door, this doesn't align in there properly. So as you can see, this doesn't fall in the right position there. And all the doors we followed the product instructions as much as they were like really clarified in there, but not a good product to buy.